Anything that you eat the leaf of, the root of, or maybe a modified flower or stem of. So all the leafy things you can think of, lettuce, spinach, kale. Don't plant kale. I'm just kidding. Some people do like it. There's a rumor that some people like kale, arugula, all that leafy stuff. And then root, carrots, beets, turnips, radishes, and then modified, so cauliflower and Brussels sprouts and broccoli. By the way, there's a restaurant in Wilcox, if you go through there, called the Double S Steakhouse, and they have the best Brussels sprout dish. Dropping a hint. Stop in at the Double S and order a plate of that to go with you. You can share it. It's enough for 4 or 5 people, but oh man, they're good. Anyway, I do digress. So right around the corner, our farm customers in Yuma and Imperial Valley are already prepping for planting, and they've got the equipment and the technology to plant that stuff a lot earlier than I would recommend a home gardener to do it. But if you'll take 2 or 3 weekends and start prepping your garden and adding a little more compost and organic material and working the soil and making sure your irrigation system is in proper working order for your garden, getting rid of the weeds, all that stuff, and not try and do it all at once, it's just a lot more pleasurable experience, in my opinion, and you'll do a better job.
And you'll think it out better, too, instead of just trying to cram it all.